Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the world of birds, the most expensive birds in the world. Please subscribe, like and share. The Hyacinth Macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus, is a stunning and incredibly large parrot species. It is native to Central and Eastern South America, specifically Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. It is the largest of the flying parrots, and has vibrant cobalt blue plumage, with yellow around its eyes and beak. The Hyacinth Macaw is known for its impressive size, measuring about 100 centimeters, 3.3 feet. In length and weighing about 1.5 kilograms, 3.3 pounds. They have a strong, curved beak, ideal for cracking open nuts and hard seeds, which make up a large portion of their diet. They also feed on fruits, berries and plant materials. These parrots are intelligent and highly social creatures, often forming monogamous pairs that mate for life. They communicate with loud calls and can imitate human speech to some extent. They are not known for their strong flight abilities, often relying on their beak to climb and perch in trees instead. Unfortunately, the Hyacinth Macaw is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, primarily due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts aim to protect their natural habitats and combat poaching to ensure their survival in the wild. Thank you for watching. Please write to us in the comments what you think of this video. If you have any suggestions, we would be happy to hear from you. Please subscribe, like and share.